So how can you access all photos on the iPad? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So if you want to see all photos, we need to browse through all of the locations. So you can go to the Photos app at first, make sure that you are not in the collections section where you have like albums and stuff, but go to the library, make sure you zoom out and tap on the all photos. So not just yearly or monthly, but go to all photos. You can browse all of the items stored on your iPad's Photos app. So that's one place to look at. Another place is the Folder or the Files app, right? Where you can also store some individual photos and videos and other things. And in there, you can look up the local section or even the iCloud drive and check out all of your photos in here. If you cannot find them right away, you can also utilize the search where you type in the PNG image or even the JPEG in terms of like the format, and you'll be able to browse all of the JPEG photos on your iPad. So that's how it works generally. There is also one more thing which you need to do to bring in and access all of your photos on the iPad, and that is to utilize your iCloud photos. So on the iPad's settings, you go to the name, your profile at the top, continue to iCloud and ensure you have the iCloud photos turned on. It just means that if you have some photos uploaded to the iCloud, you just want them to show up on your iPad as well, and you just want to have everything synced. So if you do all of this, you should access all of your photos on the iPad. So again, it's properly browsing the Photos app so you see every single image, then browsing the Files app where you also might have some photos stored, and then lastly enabling the iCloud photos to make sure even those backed up to cloud appear on your iPad. So let me know in the comments below if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll talk to you later.